Voted the #1 dehumidifier by Choice magazine for the last 4 years, the IONMAX 632 desiccant dehumidifier helps you maintain an optimum level of humidity in your home or office. The IONMAX 632 is designed for performance and ease of use. Its various features make it an excellent solution for combating humid air and improving indoor air quality. Humidity is the amount of water vapour in the air. Excessively humid air can cause mould and mildew to grow inside homes, both of which pose numerous health risks. Lower humidity is preferred because it limits the population of pests. To operate the IONMAX 632, simply press the on-off button. Press the timer button and select your desired running time of 2, 4 or 8 hours. The unit will automatically switch off at the end of the selected time period. When no timer has been set, the unit will run continuously or until the water tank has become full. The IONMAX 632 has 3 different swing modes: up, front, and wide. The IONMAX 632 has 3 settings for drying. The auto setting will keep the humidity of the room comfortable at 55 to 60%. The low setting ensures the unit automatically dehumidifies using low fan speed. The high setting can be used to prevent condensation in a very damp room. Laundry mode is a cost-effective alternative to the household tumble dryer. In savings mode, the unit automatically provides warm air to assist in clothes drying with low power consumption. Turbo mode is perfect for winter as the unit provides heated air to dry clothes faster. To remove, pull gently by gripping the bottom of the tank as demonstrated. To fix the hose to the unit, simply remove the water tank as demonstrated earlier. Remove the blue plug from the back of the tank. Reinsert the water tank into the 632. And insert the hose into the back of the unit, ensuring it attaches tightly to the water tank inside.